So today we will study about dielectric constant and relative permittivity. Suppose we have two charges Q1 and Q2 separated by distance r. Separated by distance r. Consider first case in which these two charges are placed in vacuum. And second case we will consider these two charges are in some medium. Suppose these two charges are in vacuum. Then force between these two charges will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square, where epsilon naught is permittivity. And if these two charges are placed in some medium, then force will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by r square. Here epsilon is absolute permittivity. When we divide these two equations, suppose this is first equation, this is second equation. Suppose this is F vacuum VAC. Suppose this is F medium. This is F medium. When we divide these two equations, we get F vacuum divided by F medium is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square whole upon 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by r square. So these factors cancel, 4 pi cancel, and it become epsilon by epsilon naught. But epsilon by epsilon naught is called dielectric constant. So from this, dielectric constant is the ratio of permittivity of free space permittivity of free space, because if we write only permittivity, then that will be absolute permittivity. Permittivity of free space, and in this case we can write absolute permittivity or just permittivity So dielectric constant is the ratio of permittivity of free space to the absolute permittivity. And from this also dielectric constant K can be written as force in vacuum divided by force in some medium. So this is the relation for dielectric constant. This is also relation for dielectric constant, and this is also for dielectric constant in terms of permittivity, and this is the relation in terms of forces.